Hey, welcome back to another episode of Matchmaker Monday. My name is Melissa and I'm with Sew Yours. This week I am introducing a brand new product line we are calling our HeritageHide Faux leathers. This brand new line has a great natural texture to it. It comes in 4 beautiful neutral colorways. If you love one of our best-selling lines, which is our milled grain faux leather, then you are also going to love our HeritageHide. It is just a little bit thicker than the milled grain faux leather, so keep that in mind if you are sewing on a domestic sewing machine. I would say that you can confidently sew this on a semi-industrial and of course an industrial machine. I asked one of our local customers, Sonia, to sew up a bag using 2 of the colorways in the HeritageHide line, and boy did Sonia do an amazing job. Just check out this Veronica by Shambhala bags. She did so good picking out the colors and balancing it out with a print. Let's take a closer look at this bag. Sonia's Veronica by Shambhala bags. I had tasked Sonia to make up a color blocking bag with some of the brand new HeritageHide colors because Sonia's specialty is color blocking, and I think she knocked this one out of the park. She selected this pattern on her own. Let me explain what she used here. In this portion, she used our black milled grain faux leather, our Savannah leopard. She went with the new HeritageHide and the coffee bean for the outsides here. And for this panel right here, she went with the chestnut brown. She used our milled grain faux leather for the gusset. Here's a look at the back panel with the coffee bean, chestnut brown, and Savannah leopard. She also went with antique brass hardware. These are our zipper pulls and all of our hardware as well that you can get on our website. And for her lining here, she used our heather text in the color rustwood. And here's a better look at the heather text and the rustwood laid out with all of these fabrics she used for her Veronica. Starting off with soft ivory, I am placing this next to our white milled grain faux leather. Our milled grain faux leather is one of our best-selling faux leather lines. So if you already own the white or you're familiar with this product, I thought it would be a great idea to have these side by side as a comparison. So the soft ivory here is a little bit warmer and it is more muted, while the white milled grain faux leather is brighter and a true white. You can also see the difference in texture here. The HeritageHide has more of a vintage, worn look, while the milled grain faux leather is smoother and has a little bit less depth to it. Both of these faux leather lines have a minimal one-way stretch. I would say that the HeritageHide has a little bit less stretch than the milled grain faux leather. Comparing thicknesses, the HeritageHide is a little bit thicker than the milled grain faux leather line. Now I'm going to bring in the sandstone colorway and layer that on top here so you can see all 3 together and see the comparison between the 3 colors. These 3 together give you a really nice range of light neutrals. Next is our chestnut brown, which I have placed next to our caramel milled grain faux leather, so you can kind of see the difference between the two. These 2 colorways are the closest in color to give you a comparison. This is also going to allow you to see the difference in texture. And our last comparison is the coffee bean next to the chocolate milled grain faux leather. One thing to note, coffee bean pairs really well with our chocolate zipper tape. For the other 3 colorways, we don't have exact zipper tape matches yet. If this line does well, we will absolutely bring in perfectly color match zipper tape. For hardware, I would stick with warm tones like our antique brass or our light gold hardware. They're going to work really well for all of these colorways. If you're using the soft ivory or the sandstone, rose gold is a really nice option here, especially if you're looking for a softer look. Now let's jump into the matchmaker so I can share with you what these beautiful fabrics are going to look like paired up with different exterior and lining options. First up, we have the soft ivory, which I have paired up with our hoot and hollow printed vinyl. And this is a great combination because it pulls out those creamy tones in the feathers on the owls. I've pulled a couple of lining options for you. Here's our water resistant canvas and our burgundy blooms. And this one's going to be really versatile with this whole entire collection. This is our sand petal and our liner text. And one of my favorite matchups with the soft ivory is our liner text pink medallion. This is going to make a great lining. Next up, we have our sandstone color, and I have paired that up with our disco grid and the color champagne. As of recording this video, this is out of stock, but we should be getting this back in stock any day now. I don't have an exact ETA, but we will be restocking both the Disco Grid Champagne and the Disco Ball colorways. For your lining option, I would go with the Sand Petals liner text to match up with the Sandstone colorway. Next up, we have our Chestnut Brown paired up with our Savannah Leopard, which is one of the prints that was used on Sonia's bag. Our Library Retreat printed vinyl will also work well with the Chestnut Brown, as well as our liner text in the Library Retreat print, which makes a great lining. Here is a look at our Weathered Blocks printed vinyl alongside the Chestnut. And here is the liner text Weathered Blocks. Here's a look at the Chestnut Brown with the Sand Petals liner text, which is one of my top picks. I would love to make a bag with the Sand Petals in the lining. Our last colorway is the Coffee Bean, paired up with our Rustic Petals printed vinyl. Please note, as of filming this video, we only have a very limited quantity left of this print. We will be restocking it later on in fall. And here is my favorite pick for the Coffee Bean, and this is our Denim Ridge Plaid. Currently out of stock, but coming back in stock very soon. Here's our Library Retreat printed vinyl, which I love against the Coffee Bean. And we also have our liner text in the Library Retreat. As you can see, these 4 new colorways are very versatile. You're going to be able to use them in many different color blocking sewing patterns. That's everything I have for this week's Matchmaker Monday. You can shop all of the products featured in today's video by checking out the description box below. I'll leave a link there for you. Let me know which colorway is your favorite in the comments, and I will see you in next week's video.